Wake up, it's morning, and guess what? You're probably wasting it. If your mornings look like this scrolling, snoozing, or rushing, you're setting yourself up for failure. But don't worry. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to fix your mornings and start your day like a champ. Stop wasting morning. Most people start their mornings in panic mode. They wake up late, rush everything, and start their day stressed. They snooze the alarm 5 times, grab their phone, scroll mindlessly, and suddenly realize they're running late. Now, they're rushing through breakfast, searching for their keys, and sprinting out the door like their life depends on it. And the worst part? This ruins the rest of the day. When your morning starts in chaos, your brain stays foggy, you feel unmotivated, and you get nothing done. So let's fix that. Here's a simple morning routine that will make you feel like a superhuman. Step 1. No phone for 30 minutes. Rule number 1, no phone for the first 30 minutes. Why? Because checking your phone first thing in the morning is like inviting 100 people to scream in your face. Think about it. Before your brain is even fully awake, you're already bombarded with notifications, emails, messages, and social media updates. Instead, start your morning with a real activity that benefits you. Stretch, meditate, write in a journal, or just sit in silence for a few minutes. Let your brain wake up naturally. Step 2. Get out of bed immediately. The longer you stay in bed, the harder it is to get up. Snoozing makes you even more tired because it confuses your body's sleep cycle. Here's a simple trick. When your alarm goes off, count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get up. No thinking, no debating, just do it. Step 3. Move your body. Your body has been resting for hours, and now it needs to wake up. But you don't need a full workout, just move. Do some light stretching, go for a short walk, or do a few push-ups. Even 5 minutes of movement can boost your energy and improve your mood. Step 4. Drink water before coffee. Your body loses a lot of water while you sleep, so the first thing it needs in the morning is hydration. Drinking a glass of water before anything else wakes up your digestive system, boosts your energy, and even helps your skin look better. Step 5. Plan your day, but keep it simple. Instead of jumping straight into work, take a few minutes to plan your day. But don't overcomplicate it. Just write down 3 important tasks you want to accomplish. Step 6. Eat a proper breakfast. Your body needs fuel to function properly. Skipping breakfast makes you feel sluggish, cranky, and unfocused. You don't need a fancy meal, just something with protein and healthy carbs. Eggs, oatmeal, fruits, nuts. Something that gives your body energy without a sugar crash. Step 7. Avoid negative inputs. Your morning should be a positive space. That means avoiding anything that drains your energy. Instead, listen to uplifting music, read something inspiring, or just enjoy a few moments of silence. Catch you in the next one. Thanks. Until then, do subscribe our channel Inspiring Ark for more amazing content.